Gateron Melodies. It's a new Clicky switch by Gateron. The funny thing about them is they use a teeny weeny little click leaf. That's it, right there. It's so small. It's itty bitty. It uses a fairly long but rather standard spring. The slider itself is just a linear slider, but with Gateron's new double rail system, which you can also see supported here on the side rails, it's got a generous dose of lubricant from the factory. And the whole switch sounds somewhere in between a click bar and a proper click leaf switch. Very smooth, and it's light and pleasant. I think very highly of these. I haven't actually used them in a board yet, but you can expect a video on that sometime in the next few weeks, I hope.